بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Dear members, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I will tell you about the total number of prayers and the total number of rak'ahs of each prayer. First of all, there are 5 prayers in Islam which Muslims have to pray on daily basis. The first one is Fajr, and the second one is Zohar, and the third one is Asr, and the fourth one is Maghrib, and the fifth and the last one is Isha. Each prayer has its own different time which you can watch at your screens. By pushing the pause button, you can watch and confirm the time of each prayer. Now we are going to learn about the total number of rak'ahs in each prayer. So Fajr has 4 rak'ahs, 2 are called Sunnat and the other 2 are called Farais. You should also know about the types of Sunnat. Sunnat has 2 types. First one is Sunnat-e Muakkida and the second one is Sunnat-e Ghair Muakkida. Sunnat-e Muakkida is the Sunnat which Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessing of Allah be upon him, pray regularly, and the Sunnat-e Ghair Muakkida is the Sunnat which Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessing of Allah be upon him, used to left sometime. So in the Fajr, the first 2 rak'ahs are Sunnat-e Muakkida and the other 2 rak'ahs are Farais. The second one prayer is Zohar. Zohar has 12 rak'ahs. The first 4 rak'ahs are Sunnat-e Muakkida, then 4 rak'ahs are Farais, and then 2 rak'ahs are Sunnat-e Muakkida, and then 2 rak'ahs are Nawafil. Nawafil is the prayer which Holy Prophet, peace and blessing of Allah be upon him, used to offer sometime our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessing of Allah be upon him, has left. But he should offer Nawafil prayer also. The third one prayer is Asr prayer. Asr has 8 rak'ahs. The first 4 rak'ahs are Sunnat-e Ghair Muakkida and the other 4 rak'ahs are Farais. The fourth prayer is Maghrib. Maghrib has 7 rak'ahs. First 3 rak'ahs are Farais and other 2 rak'ahs are Sunnat-e Muakkida and then 2 rak'ahs are Nawafil. Isha prayer has 17 rak'ahs. First 4 rak'ahs are Sunnat-e Ghair Muakkida, then 4 rak'ahs are Farais, then 2 rak'ahs are Sunnat-e Muakkida, then 2 rak'ahs are Nawafil, then 3 rak'ahs are Witr, and then 2 rak'ahs are Nawafil. You should must know that in the Witr prayer, the third rak'ah of Witr, in the third rak'ah of Witr, we should must have to recite a prayer named as Du'a Qanut. So you can learn Du'a Qanut. Du'a Qanut is on your screens. You can pause the screen and you can learn it now because it's compulsory to recite. If you will not recite it in the Witr prayer, so your prayer is not perfect. So these are the ranks and numbers of prayer. I hope you will understand it easily. If you have any type of question, any type of Islamic question, problems, you can share with me. You can ask me an Islamic question in the comment box, or you can contact me at my Facebook page Bilal bin Nazir, or you can follow me at my blog account www.nurulkamar.blogspot.com, and you can also share it. Rather, you must share it with English speaker Muslims so they can easily understand the Islamic Sharia. And noted that it's my first video for Islamic Sharia. On every Sunday, I will upload a new video with new problems and new Islamic questions. So you should must watch to increase your Islamic knowledge. Thanks.
سبيل الدموع سبيل مريح تنهد